Da Vinci these shoes, yeah, red bottom these sneaks. You say that you solid, I hope that you riding for me. Smoking gorilla, I'm smoking these ranch. This shit got me high on heat. Jumping the water, just pray that I float, cause all of that pain right indeed.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy One Love Man TV. We've been back with another video. Hey, I got some serious questions though. I'm about to make like, I think 3 or 4 channels about different stuff. I think my main channel, this one's be about a little bit of everything. I might have a channel for my business. I might have 2 channels for right now. 2. And I have a gaming channel, so that's 3. Boom, booyah. But what we doing today? What we doing today? What we doing right now?
A lawnmower?
Yeah, I know. I'm about to, put a deposit down on my. I'm about to pay for it in cash. Stop playing with me. I'm about to go buy me a lawnmower. No cap. It ain't what I used to. I'm used to Skag and the commercial stuff, but it's a 60 inch. So I got to get it. 60. If it's fine, I should hit your ass. You fucking idiot. But goddamn, let me be for real though. For real, no cap. Little vlog, me pick up my lawnmower and stuff. I don't know. I might go see my charger today. At the same time, don't cut. I got like 1 yard to cut. A little simple stuff. Selling the trailer behind us. Yeah, don't play with me. Please, don't play with me. Shout out to my boy Robert. $1 million. You feel me? Says y'all fuck with the music and the intro. You feel me? No cap. But goddamn, yeah, I'll see y'all when we get there.
Anybody over 200 pounds is saying if they come on that wheel, it burns the belts out. That's why I ain't never had more than the belt.
Put the tray down so he can do this. I'm not supposed to cuss. Damn it. Oh well. I'll learn to cuss one day. You know, Callie. Yeah, I block out the ta-da! Oh.
That's tough, man.
He literally just, oh my god. Yo, the gas is leaking. Everything, the ice is gone. Here he comes. Gas spilled everywhere. Huh? Half of that is gas. Yeah, because all that spilled. This right here, water, that gas. Half water, half gas. All the gas cans were right here, and one of them was leaking. Nope.
Commercial.